Thank you for your interest in my active listing. Attractive 2016 construction townhouse in Chelsea Place and number 8217 S, a premier location in Tamarac. This 2-car garage, 1,668 square feet, highly sought-after corner unit will definitely satisfy all your needs. Welcoming and amp, bright open floor plan living space with exceptional design to enhance a modern lifestyle. Tile floors on the first floor, solid wood cabinets, granite and stainless steel appliances. New vinyl flooring on stairs and amp, second floor. Spacious master suite with large walk-in closet. All bedrooms are upstairs. Jack and Jill bathroom. Newer washer and amp, dryer. Enjoy lavish family-friendly amenities, a pristine swimming pool and amp, spa, and amp, a tot-lot making every day feel like a vacation. Easy access to both the Florida Turnpike and Sawgrass Expressway making it the perfect new home to cut down on your daily commute.